What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today it's actually raining outside, but we don't care. We gotta do this unboxing like ASAP. We got a mustache going on here on this suspicious black box that just showed up, and it says, "Well, hello. It's me, Tristate EDC, your favorite EDC guy with a mustache." You know what I'm talking about? AKA Cole, your boy. And today we're checking out the Tristache here. Of course, I'll have a link down below. This is going to be dropping here very soon through Blade Bench. I got all the details for you. We'll be going over here in this video. Links will be in the description and the pinned comments. And of course, it does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. Now, that being said, let's check out what the V2 is all about. Now, the Tristache, in case you missed it, it dropped here a little while ago. I want to say a few months ago, and now they're doing a V2 version, which I believe should hopefully be a little bit more affordable. We're going to get into it. We got a Tristache V2 sticker there. We got a Ask Me About My Knife Problem Blade Bench sticker and a Blade Bench The Bench, right? We actually checked out this knife here in the channel not that long ago as well. Some pretty cool stickers there. Then we have a good old wiping cloth here with the mustache, right? I love that. And here is the knife, guys. Let's take a look at this thing. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Oh man, oh man. Now there's different variants for this one, but this particular one here is the one that speaks to me the most. All right, let's take a closer look. And it's raining cats and dogs right now. Hopefully that's not coming to the video. And if it is, I'll work some magic here in post-production. But ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and check out the Tristache V2. I mean, it's always a good day when one of your fellow YouTubers in the EDC knife community that we're all part of, right, gets to sign a knife, and then you get a chance to check it out in your own hands and get a feel for it. This is insane. For starters, this one is the titanium option here. So we got titanium scales. They're going to be available in Ultim, of course, also in Blue G10 as well, as a milled Tiffany also. So I'll put some pictures here later in the video so you can see all the different options. But this milling right here with a diamond pattern, I mean, this is just what the doctor order. I got the 80-20.5, and Kunwu Chad will be comparing this guy to, because I mean, this is just my kind of sauce, right? A monochromatic knife through and through. Sign me up. We got a deep pocket carry clip. In case you're wondering, that bad boy is titanium as well. It is reversible on the other side, which is always good to see. Then we got an opening hole here and a front flipper. I think the main difference with this one is going to be a liner lock, whereas I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the OG Tristache was a button operated either frame lock or liner lock, one of those two. So that being said, we don't have the button operation here anymore, so it's just going to be a liner lock, but we got that opening hole there, that front flipper. Let's go ahead and test it. I'm dying to see what this blade looks like. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Bam. Oh man. All right, Cole, I see exactly what you're up to with this thing. Holy macaroni. Man, oh man, this is absolutely insane. I mean, for starters, it's also my kind of geometry. I mean, if you know me, if you've been following the channel for any amount of time, you know I love me a good warney any day of the week. And this one just hits the spot for me. Absolutely. Then, of course, you know, you got that hollow grind, because, of course, hollow grind. Got to go with that, you know. I think the running joke is hollow be thy grind with the Tristache here. So, absolutely, I'm in for it because I absolutely love this geometry here, without a doubt. Also loving the dual tone. So this is the titanium stonewash. You get a little bit of a stonewash there on the blade, and then you get this horizontal satin, right, on the flat side. So that's looking pretty interesting there. Also, you'll notice it's very, very clear on the billboarding department, right? There's absolutely no markings of anything anywhere. This right here, of course, is going to be 154 cm steel. And the HRC on this one is posted as 61 to 62 HRC. So there you go. That's looking pretty good there for sure. Let's see. Right? Oh man, come on now. Good access to the liner here from the show side. Absolutely feels so good. Also nice and contour all around. Makes it nice and comfortable there. Easy access there to the liner. Very easy to disengage, pushing down into the left. And that lockup is going to be about what, 10, 15, what, maybe 20% or so. You guys be the judge. But that's absolutely looking good. And of course, let's see the drop shot action here. Right, this one's breaking in, of course. Right, a little bit of a shake shutter. Bam. Right, that reverse flick is money. Down deployment there is money all day. Oh man, that front flipper is absolutely money. Money. All right, what awesome knife to be checking out right now in the middle of this storm outside. So yeah. Also listen to the acoustics, right? I mean, this thing sounds absolutely like music to my ears, ladies and gentlemen. All right, boys, I think we have a W. We have an absolute W here in our hands. Every single deployment option is really, really good. Now check out the pivot, right? Got a little bit of attention to detail there. Little mustache going on there on the pivot, right? It is a captive pivot with a TA on the other side. Big hardware all around. TA everywhere except the pocket clip, which we said was reversible for lefties out there. So my boy Cole got lefties in hand. That's what's up. And in case you're wondering, Miguel, who is the OEM for this knife? Well, let me tell you. Kubi is the OEM for this one. At first, I'm thinking Kunwu. I think maybe Kunwu was the first one. I could be wrong, but it is Kubi. I just confirmed with Eric from Blade Bench. And by the way, these are going to be dropping on Blade Bench. I'll have all the details here. Again, links down below. The date for the drop is going to be coming up here rather fast. So mark your calendars, guys. September 25th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. September 25th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Checking the ergos here, right? You got your hammer grip, right? Got my average size hands, baby hands. I think Cole and I have probably the same size hands. And I'm able to get a full purchase here, right? Full 4-finger grip. And of course, you got that good old finger choke right there. He's not skimping on no tiny finger choke. You know, you gotta be able to fully choke on that knife right there. Get some work done, you know what I'm saying? Got a good amount of cutting path for sure. You can do a little pinch grip all day with this guy. Cut out some boxes, open up some packages through and through. I mean, that is absolutely insane, right? How comfortable it is in the ergos department. I'm going to give it a good 9.5 out of 10. That's it. I said it. 9.5 out of 10. I mean, even the pocket clip is very, very comfortable for sure. We got a, I want to say, matching titanium back spacer here. Has a little bit of a crown jimping to it. Love to see that. We do have internal liners, well, at least on the liner side. I mean, Miguel, it is a liner lock after all. So that obviously is going to be steel. For steel on steel contact, that's always good for longevity. So we got steel on the liner side and then just milled titanium on the opposite side. So you know it's going to be good on the weight department. Speaking of which, if I can get my scale out here, I'm going to say again, full size knife. I mean, really amazing cutting path. I want to say 4.5. I'm going to go with 4.5 ounces. How about so close, 4.4 or the equivalent of 125 grams. But yes, I'll take 4.4 ounces every day of the week, all day, every day. Sign me up. Quick blade stock thickness while we're here, 0.12. That's the average in the channel. Love to see that. Thickness on the handle is going to be more or less around 0.46. It's a little bit thinner than the average 0.5 in the channel. And of course, a quick overall size here. This bad mama jama is coming in at 8 inches, ladies and gentlemen. Tip here, tip to tip, 8 inches with a blade that is 3.5, you know, overall length. And a 3-inch cutting path and a handle right at 4.5 inches. So with that in mind, I mean, we got to do some quick rapid fire size comparisons here because you already know, right? We got the MSI right here. The MSI is going to be a little bit longer. Got the stitch. And again, titanium on a knife just makes it a whole different knife. I'm a sucker for titanium. These are rocking Lex custom scales. I have install videos and I can't recommend them enough. All linked down below if you guys want to check them out. But yeah, the Tristache, again, 8 inches. I mean, it's a really good size for me. I don't have the biggest hands in the world. And I also, you know, I enjoy a larger knife as much as I enjoy a smaller knife. So we got the PM2, right, very close to the PM2 there. Here's the Para 3. It's a little bit shorter. Hopefully that gives you an idea there. Of course, I'll have all these nice linked down below. And I have content on every single one if you guys want to check them out. Just put the knife name Miguel EDC on the YouTube search box and you'll find those videos right away. Now, speaking of my kind of sauce type of knife, right, here's one of my all-time favorites, the, of course, AD 20.5. Very monochromatic here with the same diamond pattern milled titanium there, which I absolutely love. The Tristache is going to be a little bit bigger there. And, of course, another one of my all-time favorites, the Kunwu Chad, same deal. Diamond pattern titanium. I absolutely love it. And that one is given the Tristache there a good run for its money, but the blade is a little bit taller, right? A little bit more aggressive of a warney there, a little bit of a taller handle. Love to see that. So yeah, absolutely love a good warney sheep's foot blade all day, every day. Good titanium handle that is milled, and especially in these monochromatic colors, sign me up. That's my kind of sauce. But of course, we got to see what this 154 cm steel is capable of. Got a piece of paper here. Let's go ahead and do, of course, the mandatory nail test. Oh, baby, that feels right on point there. Ready to do some damage. 5x zoom for some extra scientific points. And it's thundering outside. Hopefully that's not coming to the video. But if it is, just know I'm committed, man. I got to get this video uploaded because this knife is going in my pocket the moment this video is over. You know that. I know that. The knife knows that. Even Cole knows that. So you know what's up. So full slices. Man, we can do this all day, right? Captain American style. We can absolutely do this all day right here. Bam. Boom. Love to see it. Cutting some cardboard. This is a little bit on the thinner side. And then I have a little bit of a thicker one right here. Because, hey, Miguel, you're trying to give it an easy time because it's your, you know, your peer YouTuber guy's knife design. No, listen, we're going to do both. We're going to do the skinny one, the thicker one. Right, see how it does with both. Of course, you know I'm going to be forward choking on this bad boy here. Cutting diagonally for some better performance. So, bam, boom. Oh, man, come on now. Come on now, guys. What are we doing? That's a piece of cake. Now, again, a little bit thicker here. Single wall cardboard. Same deal. I mean, is it any different? Not at all. The hollow grind, man, that thing is a laser beam. Absolutely cannot go wrong with it, man. And once we're done, right, obviously you can see some streaks there, right, from going to the cardboard. Let me give it a nice little wipe here. See what happens after we're done. And bam, like nothing happened, right? That stone wash is going to do a really good job hiding away any marks, streaks, anything like that. Again, 154 cm steel on this bad boy. And what a heck of a hollow grind. Very thin behind the edge, right? Only gets a little bit thicker, like maybe halfway through, if anything. So that performance is absolutely there, man. Also, obviously, utility cuts, drug cuts with this thing every day, all day, man. I'm really, again, I mean, if it hasn't come across the video so far, I'm really excited for carrying this thing here. What an absolute home run. There's zero doubt about it. Guys, rate this thing in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. 10 being the sharpest, factory edge. You all let me know. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if it isn't obvious enough by now, I am a huge fan of this knife, right? If you didn't catch the hint throughout the video, I'm just going to come clean. I absolutely love everything that is in here, the recipe, the geometry, the fit, the finish, right? This thing is absolutely gorgeous and absolutely a home run from Cole, right? Your boy Tristate EDC. This thing is absolutely bonkers. And I like everything that this one stands for, so I'm just going to say this right now, guys. If you miss the opportunity on this one, come on. Maybe you missed the first one like I did. Don't miss out on the second one. I'm telling you right now, testing this thing right now on my hands, just seeing the geometry, getting a feel for it. The fit, the finish is insane. Again, the OEM here is Kubi, 154 cm steel, 6162 HRC. You're going to get that hollow ground Warncliffe blade that looks so sexy. As far as handle materials, you can get the Stonewash titanium is what they're calling this one. There's even a PVD titanium. That's going to be a black one with a PVD coat. Milled Ultim handle, blue G10, and a milled Tiffany model as well. Again, pictures here on the screen, obviously, so you can see all the different variants that you'll be able to choose from. Guys, listen to this. The titanium versions are going to be 149 buckaroos, and the G10 Ultim versions are going to be 139. So it's only a $10 difference to get the titanium. If you're already a titanium fan, come on. That's a no-brainer, right? Pay the extra $10. Get the milled titanium because this thing is just done so beautifully right here. I really can't stress that enough. That looks absolutely very, very nice. But if you do like the other options, again, you get to enjoy the same awesome knife. Save about $10 there. I do believe, from what I'm being told, there are discount codes available through Cole's Patreon. So definitely check out Cole's Patreon if you haven't already. Check out his channel, which, by the way, I want to give Cole, aka Tristate EDC, a huge thanks. Some time ago when I had announced that I was recently being laid off and I was going full-time into YouTube, he did a live stream and he was doing a giveaway, and he sent a bunch of you guys over to check out my channel and subscribe. So do me a favor right now, go check out Tristate EDC. In case you're living under a rock and you know about my channel but not his, I'll have him linked down below. So go check out his channel and return the favor. He makes awesome content. Arguably one of the funniest knife YouTubers in the space. So I'm just going to put that out there. Dude is hilarious. But definitely follow him if you don't already. Stonewash, satin, and PVD are the different finishes on the blade. It is going to be a liner lock, so no buttons on this V2. And that's pretty much everything, guys. Link down below. Drop date September 25th. You got some time. This video is being uploaded on Wednesday the 17th. So, you know, get your savings ready. Get your next paycheck ready. Do whatever it is you got to do. You definitely don't want to miss out on this, guys. September 25th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Save the link down below so you can go ahead and pick yours up. I'll also keep you guys posted via the channel community tab as well, so you guys can also have a reminder right before it drops. But But I do want to hear from you all, guys. What do you like about this one? What do you love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it? Let me know. And of course, just hang out in the comment section down below. Shout out to Blade Bench for sending this one over for me to check out and share with you guys. And shout out to Cole, aka Tristate EDC, for the banging, amazing, killer design on this one. That's everything for this video. Your boy signing out. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.